Rarely are Buddhists, Muslims, Sikhs, Jews, and even Aboriginal Africans seen together in the Vatican at the same time. However, for 3 days, the world's smallest state welcomed a wide range of representatives from different religions and the United Nations to examine religions and the sustainable development. More than 100 representatives to see what religions can do to help achieve goals such as ending poverty, education, and access to health care for all.
We have all the leaders come together, religious leaders and secular leaders are also here. I find that progressively religion is being recognized, that it has something to offer. I have a lot of respect for the Holy Pope because he's a people's Pope and he wants to swim sometimes against the tide. It is sometimes difficult.
This international conference aims to show how religious voices can contribute to achieving the UN's global conversion on human development and sustainable development goals. First time the Vatican has helped create a debate on the UN's sustainable development goals from a religious
peace. For us, it was an opportunity to invite many representatives of religious community to know one another, to develop a concept of partnership between religions and actors, political actors, economical actors, ecological actors.
On September 25, 2015, the United Nations succeeded in getting world leaders to adopt a set of global goals to eradicate poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for all. It's part of their new Sustainable Development Agenda. Each objective has specific goals to be achieved by 2030. However, the support of governments is not enough and requires the commitment of each person. The assistance of religions is also vital in achieving